Audio Jungle.
Hello students, RK Knowledge welcomes you. It's your Prem sir from RK classes. For 9th standard Math 2, Maharashtra State textbook, chapter 1st, its basic concepts in geometry. Practice set 1.1. So question number 1 is find the distance with the help of the number line given below. Here below the question number line is given. Above to it you will get the coordinates and down to that their values. The formula here is always you have to subtract from the larger coordinate minus smaller coordinate for distance. Here coordinate E is larger than coordinate B. Therefore, E coordinate minus B coordinate. Coordinate E is 5 and coordinate B is 2. Therefore, 5 minus 2. Distance BE is equal to 5 minus 2, which will give us distance BE is equal to 3. Now question number 2nd of first, distance JA. Larger coordinate is A as it is positive and J is negative. Therefore, distance JA is equal to A coordinate minus J coordinate. Distance JA is 1 minus of minus 2. Minus minus will become plus. Therefore, distance JA is equal to 1 plus 2, which is 3. Distance JA is equal to 3. Question number 3rd. Here distance PC we have to find. Value coordinate P is minus 4, coordinate C is 3. So coordinate 3 is larger. Therefore, distance of PC is equal to coordinate C minus P coordinate. C coordinate is 3 minus of minus 4. Therefore, minus minus will become plus and 3 plus 4 is 7. Distance of JH, coordinate J is minus 2 and H is minus 1. Therefore, coordinate H is larger. So, distance JH is equal to H coordinate minus J coordinate. H coordinate is minus 1 and J coordinate is minus 2. Therefore, minus 1 minus of minus 2, which gives minus 1 plus 2, or 2 minus 1 is the same thing. 2 minus 1 is 1. Therefore, distance JH is 1. 5th question, distance KO. Coordinate K is minus 3, coordinate O is 0. As K is negative, therefore it is less than 0. Therefore, O coordinate minus K coordinate. Distance KO is equal to 0 minus of minus 3. Minus minus will become plus. Therefore, distance KO is equal to 0 plus 3, which is 3. Therefore, distance KO is equal to 3. Question 6 of first is distance OE. See, O is neutral and E is positive. Therefore, here E is larger and O is smaller. Therefore, distance OE is equal to E coordinate minus O coordinate. That is 5 minus 0. Distance of OE is equal to 5 minus 0. 5 minus 0 is 5. Therefore, distance OE is equal to 5. Seventh question of first, distance PJ. P and J both are negative, but for negative the larger number is actually the smaller and smaller is the larger. So here j is larger. So coordinate j minus coordinate p, that is minus 2 minus of minus 4. Distance pj is equal to minus 2 minus minus will become plus, therefore plus 4. 4 minus 2 is 2. Distance pj is equal to 2. Last question of question number 1, distance qb. B is positive and Q is negative. So B coordinate minus Q coordinate. Distance QB is equal to 2 minus of minus 5. Distance QB, 2 minus minus will become plus, therefore plus 5. 2 plus 5. Distance QB, 2 plus 5 is 7. Therefore distance QB is equal to 7. Now question number 2 of exercise 1.1. If the coordinate of A is x and that of B is y, find distance AB. Here is the solution for question number 1. Question number 1 is x equal to 1 and y equal to 7. Y is greater than x. Y is coordinate of B. Therefore, larger coordinate is B and smaller coordinate is A. Distance AB is equal to coordinate of B minus coordinate of A. Coordinate of B is y, coordinate of A is x, therefore distance of AB is equal to y minus x. Y is 7 and x is 1, therefore distance of AB is equal to 7 minus 1. 7 minus 1 is 6, therefore distance of AB is equal to 6. Question number 2 of second is x equal to 6 and y equal to minus 2. In solution, the first line is the formula only. Distance between any two coordinate is equal to larger coordinate minus smaller coordinate. Here x is larger, that is coordinate of A is larger. So coordinate of A minus coordinate of B, which can be also written as x minus y. So distance of AB is equal to x is 6 and y is minus 2. Therefore 6 minus of minus 2, which further gives us 6 plus 2. So distance of AB is equal to 8. Third question is x equal to minus 3, y equal to 7. Y is greater. That means coordinate of B is greater and coordinate of A is smaller. Therefore, formula will be distance of AB is equal to coordinate of B minus coordinate of A. In place of coordinate of B, it is y and coordinate of A is x. Therefore, distance of AB is equal to y minus x. Y is 7 and x is minus 3. Therefore, distance of AB is equal to 7 minus of minus 3. Minus minus will become plus. So, distance AB is equal to 7 plus 3. 7 plus 3 is 10. Therefore, distance of AB is equal to 10. Fourth question is x equal to minus 4, y equal to minus 1. Here, x is greater than y. So, coordinate of A minus coordinate of B will come. Coordinate of A is x and coordinate of B is y. Therefore, distance of AB is equal to x minus y. In place of x and y, their values are substituted. That means distance of AB is equal to minus 4 minus of minus 5. Minus minus will become plus. Therefore, minus 4 plus 5, that is 5 minus 4 is equal to 1. Fifth question, x equal to minus 3 and y equal to minus 6. here x is greater, that means coordinate of A is greater. So distance AB is equal to coordinate of A minus coordinate of B. That means x minus y. So distance of AB we get by substituting the value of x and y is minus 3 minus of minus 6, which further become minus 3 minus minus is plus, so minus 3 plus 6. 6 minus 3 is 3. Therefore, distance of AB is equal to 3. Last question of question number 2. X equal to 4, y equal to minus 8. Here coordinate of A is greater, which is x. So coordinate of A minus coordinate of B is equal to x minus y. Therefore, distance AB is equal to 4 minus of minus 8. Minus minus will become plus, and the next line will be distance of AB is equal to 4 plus 8. 4 plus 8 is 12. Therefore, distance of AB is equal to 12. Question number 2 is over. Now, question number 3. From the information given below, find which of the point is between the other two. If the points are non-collinear, state so. So let's check the first question. Question number 1 of third. Distance PR given 7, distance QR given 10, and QR is 3. Solution. First, we will write the largest side. Here the largest side in all of the 3 is distance PQ. So the largest side is distance PQ. And then the second point, we will take the sum of other two sides, that is distance PR and QR. That means the sum of 7 and 3, which is 10. Distance PQ is also 10. So from first and second, distance PR plus distance QR is equal to distance PQ. Therefore, points are collinear. Since PQ is the largest, therefore, point R is between P and Q. Second question of third is distance RS is 8, distance ST is 6, distance RT is 4. The first is the largest here, that means distance RS is largest. Second point, by keeping RS aside, we will add the other two sides, that is distance ST plus distance RT. ST is 6 and RT is 4. Therefore, it is equal to 6 plus 4, which is 10. RS is 8. And the sum of other two sides is 10. Therefore, from first and second, we can say distance ST plus distance RT is not equal to distance RS. Therefore, points are not collinear. Now question third of third. Distance AB is equal to 16, CA is equal to 9, distance BC is equal to 7. AB is largest, so the largest side is distance AB. Keeping the largest side aside, we will add the other two sides in next step, that is the sum of other two sides is equal to distance CA plus distance BC. Substituting their value, we will get it as 9 plus 7. 9 plus 7 is 16. The largest side is also 16. Therefore, from first and second, we get distance CA plus distance BC is equal to distance AB. Therefore, points are collinear. Since AB is the largest, therefore, point C is between A and B. Fourth is distance LM equal to 11, distance MN equal to 12, distance NL equal to 8. Here the largest side is MN. So keeping that aside, let's add the other two. So the sum of other two sides is equal to distance LM plus distance NL is equal to 11 plus 8. As LM is 11 and NL is 8, so adding both we will get is a 19. The largest is not 19, so from first and second we get distance LM plus distance NL is not equal to distance MN. Therefore, points are not collinear. Fifth question is distance XY is 15, distance YZ is 7, distance XZ is 8. Solution for this is the largest side is distance XY. The sum of other two sides, that means distance YZ and distance XZ, that means sum of 7 and 8, which is equal to 15. Here the largest side, that is XY, is also 15. Therefore, distance from first and second, we can write it as distance YZ plus distance XZ is equal to distance XY. Therefore, points are collinear. Since XY is the largest, therefore point Z is between point X and point Y. Sixth question is distance DE equal to 5, distance EF is equal to 8, distance DF is equal to 6. The largest side is DF, DE, distance of EF. The sum of other two sides is equal to distance of DE plus distance DF is equal to DE is 5 and DF is 6. Therefore, 5 plus 6 is 11. The largest side is 8. Therefore, from first and second, distance DE plus distance DF is not equal to distance EF. Therefore, points are not collinear. Like and share, subscribe the channel. Thank you.